I'm Bradley Willis, an automation and software product sales specialist at Rutico. With the announcement of Rockwell Automation's FactoryTalk VantagePoint as end of life, I'm here today to talk about its recommended replacement XLReporter and how it can be used to generate on-demand reports and automate the delivery of scheduled reports. Rutico are an authorised distributor in the UK for XLReporter. XLReporter has been around for about 25 years. The software is currently at version 15, with version 16 due for release. And this means that XLReporter boasts numerous success stories from across the industrial spectrum, with successful deployments in just about any industry you can think of. So what is XLReporter? It's a reporting software used to generate on-demand reports and automate the delivery of scheduled reports. Utilising an Excel-esque design environment, you can use familiar tools to build custom reports from scratch in a matter of minutes. But if you don't have time for that, you can use one of the dozens of templates available for plug-and-play reporting. And you can edit the templates to fit your exact application as required. You can see many of the example templates and reports for yourself at XLReporter.net. You can pull data from almost any system and start generating reports. XLReporter utilises over 60 data connectors, including Rockwell hardware and software solutions, as well as software solutions from multiple other providers. If you have hardware and software solutions from multiple vendors on site, XLReporter can almost certainly connect to all of them. There are no limits on the number of tags, the number of reports, the number of users, the number of emails. Use the standard suite edition for local deployments or the professional or team edition for distributed deployments. At Rutico, we are ready to discuss your application, demonstrate the software as required, and identify the right solution for you. You could get started with XLReporter for less than £1,000, depending on the edition required. So if you'd like to discuss your FactoryTalk VantagePoint migration, or to migrate to XLReporter from another reporting software, or to discuss your new reporting application, please do get in touch with us at Rutico using the details on the screen or the link in the description. Thanks for watching.